Hello, good morning, class 2. Welcome to your GK class, children. So, today we will do chapter 24 of your book. In the previous day, we have done chapter 22, and 23 is not there in the syllabus. So, you put a cross mark in 23, chapter number 23. You will put a cross mark and come to chapter number 24. Okay, children, open your book at page number 38. This is page number 38. Okay, so the name of the chapter is Making Music. Children, we all love music, right? You all love music. You also like music. Me also. I also like music, right? So all of us we like music. Okay. Now making music. So the name of the chapter is Making Music. Page number 38. Chapter is 24. Okay, now what we have to do here is, here on this page, what you can see the picture of some instruments. All these are musical instruments and they make the song beautiful. With the help of this musical instrument, we just compose the song, and then what happened, it makes us feel very nice, isn't it? Because of the smooth music. So different types of musical instruments are given here, so we need to play this. Okay, so first of all, what we have to do is, these all are the musical instruments. Okay, so what we have to do, let us read here. We make music with this instrument, right? Unscramble their name. How do we play them? Write B for beating, H for shaking, W for blowing, K for pressing the keys, and S for plucking the string. Okay, first of all, you see here, this is a musical instrument, maracas, right? So here what happened, the name is given but it is not written in a sequence, isn't it? We have to unscramble it, so it is done for you. Okay, now the spelling here, it is not in a sequence, so we have to unscramble it, and then we have written markers here. So how do we play them? Suppose if we beat, suppose what happened, this marker, how do we play this? We shake it, right? Then it gives a very nice sound. Okay, so different musical instrument needs to be played in a different way. Okay, so here you can see one more musical instrument. If you shake it, it will not give any sound. So that there is a different method. So all the methods are given here. Let us see. So if you beat sometime, like if there is a mridanga, then how you will play it? You will not shake it. If you shake a mridangam, will it give a nice sound? No, you have to beat it. So suppose you have to write B for beating. If the instrument makes sound while beating it, then you have to write B for beating. And H for shaking. See this markers, here it is in the corner. You can see at the corner here H is written, means if you shake it, then it will make a sound. So you have to write H if you have to shake this musical instrument to make the sound. Okay, in the same way you have to unscramble this, and again you have to write here how can you play it, by beating it or by pressing the key. If you use the keys, okay, to make out the sound, then you have to write K. Okay, and some instruments are there like guitar. What you have to do, you have to plug the string, then only it makes the sound. Then if the musical instrument is like that, then you have to write S for plucking the string. So if some instrument needs to be blown, like flute, isn't it? If you play a flute, you need to blow, so then you have to write W, okay, for blowing. In this way, H for shaking. Now the second one, if we do, first one is done for you, maracas. Okay, so this maracas is maracas. How do you play it? By shaking. So we have written, it is written H here. Now what is this? You have to unscramble the name. This is sarod, sarod, sarod. So how you play it? By blowing, or by pressing the key, or by plucking the string. So here you find string. So what you will write here? S. Here you will write S, and here you will write sarod, sarod, sarod. Okay, so you write S here and sarod down in number 2. In number 2, sarod, and here you have written S, right? Then we'll come to this one. This is also a very nice instrument. This is harmonica. What is this? Harmonica. You have to unscramble the name. Write down Harmonica. Monica, nika, harmonica. Okay, harmonica, what you have to do? Harmonica, we play it with our mouth. Okay, so you need to blow. Okay, so here in the corner you will write W in number 3. For number 3, you will write W here, and it is harmonica. Harmonica, harmonica. Done? Then come to number 4. What is this? Look at this. Okay, let us write the name. This is Tanpura. So you will write T-T-A-N, Tanpura, P-U-R-A, T-A-N-P-U-R-A, Tanpura. It also plays with a, if you have to plug the string, Tanpura also. So here also you will write S. You will write S for number 4. T-A-N-P-U-R-A, Tanpura, you will write S, because how do we play them? By plucking the strings. Okay, next one is, I have told you, Mridangam. You need to beat it. So what you will write? B for beating. So at the corner you will write B, and then Mridangam you write down Mri, M-R-I, Mridam, D-A-M-G-A-M, Mridangam. Mridangam. M-R-I-D-A-N-G-A-M. Write down M-R-I-D-A-N-G-A-M. Mridangam. And at the corner you will write B. Mridangam. And here you will write B, because you have to beat, isn't it? Then only it will give a beautiful sound, a smooth, a very nice soothing sound. Mridangam. Now next one is, this is cymbals, S-Y-M-B-A-L-S. Okay, cymbals. This is called C-Y-M, C-Y-M-B-A-L-S. Okay, how do you play it? It also you play by beating, isn't it? So cymbals also you play. You have to beat. Beat. You have to write B here. Here C-Y-M-B-A-L-S, and here you have to write B, means beating. Done? So these two you need to beat, then only it will give sound. Okay, now we'll come here. What is this? This is saxophone. Okay, S-A-X-O-P-H-O-N-E. This also you have to blow. Okay, if you blow, then you will write W. Okay, here saxophone, here you have to write what? W. This is W. Okay, you need to blow it. Okay, then it gives a sound. Next one is 8. What is this? This is a santoor. You need to beat it. Okay, so at the corner you will write B and santoor, S-A-N-T-O-O-R, santoor. Okay, this is santoor. This musical instrument is known as santoor, S-A-N-T-O-O-R, santoor, and here you have to write B, beating. Okay, next one and the last one is harp, H-A-R-P. Write down H-A-R-P, harp. This is H-A-R-P, harp. You can see some string here, so you have to plug the string. So here what you will write? S. Here at the corner you will write S. I hope you can see. Done? So here we have written the name of all the instrument and what is used to play them. What do we use? Do we use the string, or do we have to beat it? Do we have to blow? Okay, so all the different things are given here. So the different methods are given. So we have written it in the corner with the alphabets. Okay, capital letter alphabets, and we have unscrambled the name of all these instruments. Okay, so from the examination view point of view, you may ask, ma'am, what type of question will come for? From here, you see, I may give the question like write the name of two musical instruments. Okay, or unscramble the names of the musical instruments. Suppose it is sarod, I'll give DOSAR. So you have to unscramble the name of the musical instrument. Okay, unscramble the name of the musical instrument. And what you learn, write the name of two or three maximum three musical instruments. Okay, this way you have to prepare this chapter. Thank you.